Here's a 2017 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Deel Sales in Miami is your local dealership committed to excellence. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 3650 Bird Road in Miami.